Adoma, welcome back to my channel, guys. Before I start working on the GMC, please help me subscribe to the channel, click that bell notification so every time I have a new video you guys will be updated. But I'm working on a 2005 GMC Yukon Denali here, 6.0 liter. Right now the check engine light is for the Evap right here. One of them is for the purge valve, and one of them is for the canister vent valve right here. This one's for the vent valve, the bottom one's for the purge valve. Now for the purge valve is right under the engine cover. So once you take out this top cover right here, you're gonna get to the purge valve right here. For the line, you're gonna press on this white tab, push it all the way back, and then pull. For the connector, press on this tab right here on the back, press it forward, pull, and then there's one 8mm bolt holding onto the purge valve. Once you remove that, you can remove the purge valve. So I have both parts here. This is the new purge valve. I'm gonna swap over the little rubber cover to the new one. This is OEM GM. That's the part number. And this one is the vent valve right here. It looks like this. And then the part number for that is right here, right there. So right now I'm gonna show you guys how to smoke test the purge valve and then put power into the purge valve. So right now I have my smoke machine running. You can see the ball flow, and then I'm gonna put my smoke into the purge valve. It's so hard to do this with one hand. Now put into my purge valve, make sure there's no leak on the other end. If there's no leak, the ball would drop all the way down. Just give it a second. The ball dropped all the way down. There you go. There's no leak coming out of this end. Now I'm going to show you how to put power in. So when I put power in, you're going to hear the purge valve jump. It opens and closes, and then when it opens, you're going to see the smoke coming through. There you go. You can see letting the smoke through. So right now it's closed. I'm opening it. You can see the smoke coming through. There you go. That's how you test the purge valve. For this one, the purge valve is okay, but I'm not sure. The thing is, I'm not sure if during the drive cycle the valve in here is intermittent. It could be opening it by itself. Purge valve always closed, should never be open. It only purges the vapor back into the engine to reburn only when it needs to. So I'm not sure if it's intermittent. It would open itself during the driving cycle and stays open all the time, but I'm gonna replace it. Now if you guys want to test the whole evap system, you would put the smoke in this purge line right here, put it in here so it goes all the way back to the fuel tank and the canister. Now I put in the new purge valve already. Don't forget to swap over this little rubber piece from the old one to the new one. And then for the line, just press it down and give it a little tug. Make sure it stays. That's good. And then for the connector, make sure you gotta check the pin in here. Make sure it's not corroded or damaged. Make sure you check the back right here. Make sure it's not broken or tear, anything. If it's good, put it back. And then just go ahead and put the engine cover back, and then let's get to the vent valve. Now for the vent valve, I test it the same way as the purge valve. I'm gonna put power in. You're gonna hear the valve in here jump open and close. For vent valve, should always stay open, should not be closed. Now I'm gonna put power in so you can hear. There you go. You can hear the valve in here is open and closed. It's jumping. It's good. For a certain vent valve, they have the connector adapter, which connect to the original connector, and then it connects to here. Some of them is going to be different, but this one fits to the OEM connector. Now for the vent valve, it's right on top of the differential. This is the differential right here for the vent valve, right on top, right next to the canister. For the line, you're gonna push the line in, pinch the two side, and pull. So I already took it off. I'm just showing you guys. So you push in, press the two side, and pull. For the connector right here on top right here, press this tab, pull down, and then you're gonna pry out the little clip right here to move the vent valve out. Hard to see. You're gonna pry it a little bit like that, and then wiggle it out. You can see where I'm prying, and then just pull the vent valve out. There you go. Now I got the vent valve out. Everything looks the same as my new one. You can see the connector, it's the same. There you go. All that the dust coming out. It's completely blocked in here. That's probably why it throws that cold. Let me show you again. So dusty. There you go. You can see. Ooh, it's coming out a lot. There you go. The new vent valve. When you guys put the vent valve all the way back, make sure you guys push the pin in. Make sure it locks the vent valve. It doesn't come back out. That's good. For the line, I put a little bit of grease to put it back easier. It's kind of dry. Oh, there you go. It just slides right in. For the connector, make sure you guys check the pin too. Make sure it's not damaged, corroded. Check the connector right here. Make sure it's not broken or anything. It's good. Plug it back. There you go. Locked. That's good. Now I'm gonna test the old vent valve for you to hear. I tested it. I don't hear the valve jumping open and close. There's way too much dirt inside of this vent valve. I think that's what stopping the valve from working. It just died. You can see a lot of dirt still coming out. I'm gonna put power into the vent valve. Now you're gonna hear it's completely quiet. There you go. Make sure it gets ground first. There you go. Nothing. You don't hear the valve jumping at all. Nothing at all. So this vent valve is completely dead. Right now I have the key on. Before I clear the check engine light, I'm gonna show you guys again. Automatic. There you go. That's the two codes. Vent valve, purge valve. Now I'm gonna clear it.
Do you know if we ordered the seat for the Accord yet?
I think so. There you go. So that's it, guys. Just a purge valve and vent valve replaced on this car. So that is it for this video, guys. If you guys are new to my channel, please help me subscribe. If you guys have any question, comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But I see y'all in the next video. Peace.